I'm going to share it with you a little bit later on in the video, man, but it'll save you hours and days. In some situations, man, it'll save you months from troubleshooting a misfire to where you can't never get your LS swap to run the way that it's supposed to run. It'll save you months if you don't discover and find out this information. Otherwise, you might miss it. And you might be one of them people that say, oh, my LS swap ain't running right. It ain't running right. I've been trying to get it running right for months and months. So y'all stay locked with me.